See how we can deploy the Microsoft Store apps using Tokyo. It can be a billing administrator role, so that way we have to deploy it. And the Windows 10 device enrollment. So the version specific they have given Windows 10 with a subversion of 17.0.9 with plus, and Windows 11 device we can enroll, guys. So starting with this, we will add the Microsoft Store app for into the Intune portal. So for this, I will go to my. We need to have an enterprise mobility license, as you better aware of about it, and because we would be enrolling the device into the Intune portal. So we'll go to we have already the Intune license present. Now we'll go to intune.microsoft.com, and from there we will navigate to our device. So basically we will enroll the Windows device. So I will open my Oracle VirtualBox, and there I have registered the Windows device. So in the meantime, we will see what are the steps. So for this, we will go to app devices. So devices, you will see that here one device is enrolled. Now I will go to apps, and in the apps, all apps, you will go to Windows device, the platform, because it would be Windows platform device enrollment. So I will create on Windows app, and I will create new. Now here it will allow me to ask for the Microsoft Store app store new. So I will select Microsoft app store app, which is new. So this, we are on this step, which is a new store app. We'll select first this one. Okay, so with this we would be adding the Microsoft new store app, and it will select it. Okay, now app name can be any one of the app we can take, like any Zoom app or any kind of app if you wish to take. So I will type here the app name you can type, because since it's a Windows app or any kind of a communication app, so WhatsApp also you can add. Now in the meanwhile, I will open my Windows 10 device, which I will need to enroll, and this Windows 10 device will be Azure Active Directory joined or Hybrid Azure AD joined, means it could be a part of Azure Active Directory. So when I go to the intra ID, you will see the users which are enrolled in our devices, which are the users. These are my global administrator, which is this one, and Ramesh user, which is this. We will enroll it, and this would be a part of the security group having the Intune mobility license with the group membership of security groups. So this user we will enroll, since this would be a part of Intune mobility license. You can see the license here. So you'll come to know that it's enterprise mobility and security. So here this you can check using the Entra portal, which is entra.microsoft.com. Now since my device is get started, so I will log into the device. I would like to mention that we will be enrolling the Windows device. So this Windows device enrollment will be done, and it should be having the version. We can deploy 11 device also, Windows 11 device. You can also deploy it. Device with my personal Microsoft account, but since this device is a part of Azure Active Directory, so we will be checked for the Ramesh user, and from there, since the Intune mobility license is assigned, so we will follow this prerequisite, because Microsoft Intune role with app deployment permissions. Okay, and the device should be Azure AD joined or hybrid joined device. Now, Windows device enrolled in Intune. So, before the assignment, we will check for there are the three possible assignments which we will discuss here. So, first assignment will be the name suggests it's required. The name is required. And second is means it will auto install the device. And the second one would be available. So we can directly install by company portal. So company portal means we have a Microsoft specified company portal where we can log in, install it from the App Store, and thereby we can manage it. So that is would be the uninstall, which we can remove it from the devices. Suppose we have to decommission the device, so it can be able to remove the device. So these are the three types of assignment we have. Now we will go to our Windows 10 device, and Here, let's check for our app. So this is Windows 10 device which would be enrolling. The device name is host name. And when we go to the settings tab, we will come to know that this device is Windows 80 joint. We select the Windows app here. When we select the app, Windows app is a gateway. So through this, we can also manage the information. Here, the information URL will be needed, but we'll register for another app. We'll check another app like a more centralized or more available for all. So we'll create again the app. We'll go to App Store, click a new, select, and here we can select the, let's say, Zoom. We'll select. So it will searching for the app, and we will say that it is, let's say, Crosshair Zoom or any others. Let's say other app. Will take Spotify app, which will take suppose. So Spotify music player, it is a ultra Windows platform, which is machine dependent. So and now here the category it would ask for other apps. It is used for which category is coming. Okay, but that's okay. Now here the information URL, which is a valid URL for it. So we can go to the URL of the. So we can go to Microsoft Store here. Microsoft App Store you can type, and from here you can select the Spotify URL. So for this we have to select go into the app section. So here we'll come to know the Spotify app URL. So this company name can give. Okay. And the developer name, if that's mandatory, if you can give, but not necessary. Part which is the assignment part, guys. So here we have discussed the assignment where I have explained that three types of assignment are there. So first is we'll see the assignment which is required type. Okay, so here the assignment will go. Now it would be available for Android device and uninstalled. So required, you can see the which groups you have to make this app required. Okay, and these required apps are installed automatically or Android devices. So this is my Windows 10 device, and if I will select the required option, it will you know install it on that specific device, but it will install automatically on the install device. So I will select the. Now if I want to add the users, okay, let's say the particular user I have, all users I have to add, so I can install the all users. Any specific group I have to add. Okay, so let's say as I have discussed that we have the certain groups in our Active Directory, which is Azure Active Directory, and here are the list of groups, guys. Suppose I would be adding any company group. So suppose security groups I have, and I have added this autopilot Intune group. Okay. So in this meantime, you will see that we have, if you follow my playlist, you might have noticed that we have registered this Ramesh user also in the part of our Active Directory account, which is our Entra ID. So for this, we will enroll this group, which is called the Autopilot Intune group. So I will go to again intune.microsoft.com and I will select this group. Okay. So this group assignment means I am registering this group. Then I will go to select, and here you can enroll for the devices available for enroll devices. Means if you have a self-service installation tool like company portal, then we can select this available option. Okay, guys. And the last one, which will be uninstall, which would be requiring it for uninstalling the devices. This is the last option. So next, click on next, then review and create. So this way we have created successfully. This application has been created for this. Now, when we check our Windows 10 devices, the properties device install status, properties will go. Now here I will select it as access work or split count. And here I will click on this. Now, since the Ramesh, which you know that it's a part of our Entra ID or domain joined machine, so I will check the users here. And this user which we have enrolled, you can see it in Entra ID portal, which has the assigned license and two group membership is there. Okay, so these are the groups on which this user is relied. And now I will check for scroll it, and when I go to settings, I will see that I have will enroll this. Okay, so it will auto install it. So we'll just sync the device, and thereafter we would be able to assign it. So let connect on this part. Info we can get here, or work or school account, add provisioning package. This device is connected with this account, our Azure Active Directory account, which is our Entra portal account. We can similarly go to devices, and here you will see in the devices, you see one Windows device. And when you click on this, you will see it's Hybrid AD join. The machine name is Hybrid AD join. So this is the same device which we have done, which you have logged in. If you want to confirm, you can check the visibility by typing it here, CMD, and here you can just type the host name. So this is the hybrid AD join, guys. Same device which we have enrolled it, and this is the hybrid AD join machine, Windows 10 device. Now this device we will be enrolling it. So for this, just you can directly click on here sync. So it will attempt, Intune will attempt to check in with this device. If it gets successful, it will sync the correct actions or policies to device. So you'd like to continue, we'll click on yes, and the sync has been initialized. Now we see that this Spotify app which we deployed, we will see in the app section on this Windows device. So kindly wait for a few minutes. Once this get deployed, will register the device, you will start the sync. We can try to restart the device from here also, and once the restart will done, we will be able to see that the device manufacturer or the app name when we check here. So device enrollments, we will see that the device has been registered. Okay, so for this, we'll go to the app section, manage apps. So here, since there is no data app configuration, so the device is not yet synced. Company portal, guys, in my Windows 10 machine, and I will install the company portal app in order to check that whether our Spotify app is installed or not. So once this has been installed, we will go ahead to check the Spotify app. So let's see the company portal, and after that we will again go to the app section, and you'll see that through company portal we'll log in to the Ramesh user as our Entra user, which is our hybrid domain join machine, and we will check for the Spotify app.